All right, today we're going to bring a portable air conditioner. Now, this is pretty much a swamp fan. That's what it's called, right? You actually have to add the water. Recommendation, add cold water or ice water if you want. Now, let's go over some buttons on the actual feature itself. So, first of all, what you see on the top, you see four buttons on lined up. All right. The first one is going to be the one that we're going to talk about. It's a fan control speeds. And then we talk about the hour one and then the LED one. Yes, it has an LED night. And then, of course, different speeds. And, of course, there's a little spray that comes out of it that makes it really cool. And that's why it's considered a swamp fan. These things could run for hours. But like I said, you could add your hours. It could turn off automatically, but look at this. It's like a spray. If you ever get in amusement parks where they throw that nice spray, this is it. But in a colder version, you control the temperature, you control the actual the fan speed. Now, this thing is great to take with you. It's a little portable, but let me open it up here so you guys can see some of the features. And it's a little hard. Once you tie it up, you got to make sure it's sealed right. And like you say, we do have ice and water make it nice and beautiful for a nice hot day. So, and you could take this on your car. It's portable. Take it to your job. If you work in a field in a job that you don't have a fan, this is a perfect portable fan you could take with you. Now, one of the things that I like about it is that it doesn't take a lot to run. It's a Type C. Enjoy the day with your friends and family outside in an outdoor event. I hope you guys enjoy the video.